Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus and trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Secant of s equal to 1 over cosine s, tan s equals to sine s over cosine s. So I will put this one goal here. Now cosine s multiplied by 1 over cosine s and sine s over cosine s. So this one we have 1 minus sine s squared. Next we have the second formula. So I will put this one go to the right. And we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.